I have to replace an engine on a Kawasaki Teryx, and I wasn't able to find a video on a certain task anywhere. I have a bottom end from a brute force 750, and I will be dropping that into a Teryx 750. I read that the bottom ends would be the same, but I came across an issue while swapping parts. The brute force output shaft is different than the Teryx. I was stumped for a bit until I came across some info in the service manual. Apparently you don't have to split the case to remove the output shaft. I saw this question on several forums, but no answers, so here goes. On the rear of the block there is a plate with 4 bolts, either 10 or 12 mm. Once you remove those, gently tap the shaft from the front with a rubber mallet. And then installation is reverse of removal. The 4 bolts are torqued to 26 Newton meters. I won't go into bevel gear shimming, you decide for yourself if you need to do it or not.